Welcome to the Assessment Violation and Suspension tutorial on TaleGlobal. In this video, we'll explain how assessment violations are monitored and how repeated violations can lead to assessment suspension and automatic rejection from the job application process. During an assessment, TaleGlobal actively monitors compliance with the assessment rules to ensure a fair and secure evaluation process for all candidates. Certain actions may be considered violations during an assessment. Examples include exiting full screen mode, switching to another application, opening additional windows or tabs, or performing any action that interrupts the assessment environment. Whenever a violation is detected, a warning message will immediately appear on your screen. The warning will clearly indicate that a violation has occurred and will also display the number of warnings remaining before disciplinary action is taken. Candidates are allowed a maximum of 4 warnings during an assessment. Each warning serves as a reminder to return to the assessment and continue following the guidelines. If another violation occurs, the warning count will continue to increase accordingly. Once a candidate reaches the 5th violation, the assessment will be automatically suspended by the system. At this point, the test can no longer be continued, and the candidate will lose access to the session. In addition, all upcoming interview stages associated with that job application will automatically be marked as rejected. This means the candidate will no longer be eligible to proceed to any remaining interview rounds regardless of their previous performance or progress within the recruitment process. The suspension and rejection process is automatic and is designed to maintain the integrity, fairness, and security of the process for all applicants. To avoid suspension, candidates should remain in full screen mode, avoid switching to other applications or browser tabs, and carefully follow all assessment rules displayed before it begins. By adhering to the assessment guidelines, candidates can ensure a smooth assessment experience and maintain eligibility throughout the recruitment process. Thank you for watching.